Wow, this is crazy. Hey, what's up, guys? Alex here in my neighborhood in the York Borough in Toronto. Uh, Still digging out after getting slammed with 60 centimeters of snow. So essentially a whole freaking blizzard from yesterday. This is literally the, this is pretty much the biggest snowfall we got in a single day from yesterday. And as you can see here at the intersection of Eglinton and Oakwood, things seem okay, but it's still pretty messy trying to get around the city. Oh, this place just opened up, Superlicious, right next to Oakwood Station. And same thing with that Tim Hortons. But anyway, it's around minus 9 degrees Celsius, so it is pretty cold out. And it'll get even worse by tonight. Oh boy. So I just filmed a walking video from just steps away from where I live. Went all the way down here. I really wanted to check out the aftermath of this blizzard. It's nice and sunny out though, which is pleasant to see.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, the phone ran out of storage. So we're moving on to the backup phone, which I use to do my first ever live stream on my birthday, back on Friday night. You can check that out if you haven't already. But as I was saying in my last walking video, it's been a crazy weekend for me, right? I celebrated my birthday, and I had a hangover from all the food I ate, and this really decadent chocolate cake I had. It took me out instantly, and I was so tired by the next morning. I've never really had that feeling before. But as I was saying, a lot of services were closed for today, including municipal buildings, and of course, schools and universities. So it's a snow day for all the kids out there today. But as the city says, it's going to take them days and days to plow all the streets, sidewalks, and then remove the snow. Oh, look at that. We got a snow blowing machine here. Look at all the freaking icicles. That's just crazy. So we're walking south on the west side of Oakwood Avenue. I'm gonna make a left onto Bude Street and walk east. And then I'll probably find Everton Road, which goes up to Eglinton Avenue. Here's Clavelli Avenue. I should have went out about 2 hours ago so I could check out this snowfall. Especially the sun is going down pretty soon and there's already a bit of glare, but luckily I'm going to be walking east. But we'll see how challenging these residential streets are. But I saw a lot of pictures and video seeing cars partially buried in the snow. Cars getting stuck, including the streetcars, which, you know, by no surprise, they don't do that well in the snow. But also a lot of the subway system was offline yesterday. Little parts of it are back up now, including the section next to me between St. Clair West and Shepherd West. And by some surprise, the Finch West LRT is also back up and running. All right, let's head this way here on Bude Street. Got a thumbnail. Lots of people shoveling the snow, but it's not easy to walk through all this, so I have to walk on the road here unless I see an opening. I've never seen something like this in a while. I mean, I remember the blizzard we had back in 2022, which was almost very similar to this. But like I said, Toronto got under 60 freaking centimeters. Because the mayor was just joking about the fact that, you know, back in 1999 we had to call in the army. But Chow said there's no need to do that because the city really learned their lessons on how to deal with heavy snow. So here's sirens in the distance. Oh, look at this. I guess the neighbors did clear the sidewalk. That's pretty good. Butte Street continues. Wow. And then I wonder what it's going to be like tomorrow. Supposedly when everything almost returns to normal. Because again, I'm supposed to have an 11 a.m. class back at the university. If so, I'm going to need to give myself some time. Oh, wow. Here is also clear. I caught a glimpse of the sidewalks on Marley Avenue. They didn't really look too clear to me. I did have a chocolate chunk cookie inside the newly opened Timmy's, which is where I started the video. Here's Winona Drive. I want to find Ava Road and then Everton Road. We are in the Cedarville neighborhood here in York. There we are. Wow. This is all just insane, but beautiful at the same time. Actually, let me get a proper thumbnail here. Look, there's Eglinton. Phone storage is still full. Oh well. Okay, maybe this is better. Wow. It's Atlas Avenue. Yeah, I know downtown Toronto got about 56 centimeters. Elsewhere, probably in Mississauga, Scarborough, they said it was about like the late 40s, early 50s there. I could be wrong though, but that's just how I look at it. But Pearson Airport did record about 43 centimeters accumulation. Alright, maybe this is a better thumbnail. Of course, I could actually just walk into Cedarville Park, which I haven't actually been to in quite a while. But won't be doing that today. See, look, there's the entrance to the park. You can easily walk all the way from here down to just near Bathurst and St. Clair. Alright, now we'll head north here. Let's see. Looks a bit safer here. Oh, crazy. Oh, there's you see the bus terminal at Cedarville Station. Alright, so my plan is to upload the first video tonight and then this one tomorrow, so I have to readjust my upload schedule now. Let's see if I could edit on time and get the thumbnails ready, because you know I'm so late to doing that. Here's Gloucester Grove. Oh, I can go here now. Or, yeah, here seems safer. Yep. Oh. Excuse me, guys. Anyway. checking, see if I could take the bus home. I did just miss one. Oh well. Oh, there's also one right there. My chance to get over to the other side. All right, so I'll be right back. So there goes the bus. Oh, look at that. We got a snow removal truck here. That's my bus I normally take. Better than having to walk in this shit, but oh well, home's not too far. I might as well keep going. Even if I did, it has to go in through that entrance. And then I'll have to go back up, and then I'd still miss it anyway. You guys can see a southbound train crawling in. Oh, looks like the path is cleared. When I was walking through here half an hour ago, it looked like it hadn't been cleared. Oh yeah, look. The sidewalk plow must have been here literally like 10 minutes ago. All right. I guess it's safe for me to walk home from here then. But then again, I'm really curious to know what's tomorrow's gonna look like. So let me just look at this. Whew. Wow. It's just amazing. So I was walking down here. I was on the east side of Allen and walked through the path kind of similar to this. But this is how I would normally get home if I missed the 109 or 164 buses, and just walk through this path. It's not a bad walk. I've been practicing it so I can get ready for the LR2 when it opens in a couple weeks. But yeah, this is all fresh. It's just cleared. Wow. Yeah, imagine going on the road yesterday and having to be part of that whiteout and then getting stuck. Well, like I said, the city is really doing their best to remove all the snow. But like I just said, it's gonna take days to completely dig out of this mess. All right. Well, oh, here comes the same sidewalk pile. That's the same one I saw on the other side of Allen. Here he comes again. I was just about to wrap this video up. Whew. Let me see if I could get across here. Yep, there it goes. There, how many rounds did it have to do? Just probably have to come back up here. I got here just in time. Well, guys, I'm gonna keep walking home. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. And thanks for all the birthday wishes. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So always stay tuned for more videos. Check out my others as well. And I will see you all in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm. And yeah, peace out. Bye-bye.